So this is the iPhone 12 Pro Max camera review. Yo, you know, so you can, meanwhile I record, you can take a picture, meanwhile the video record. That, I think that's the best vlogging camera for 2021. Trust me, I think you should get it. You get me? Yo, night mode is amazing. Like, I can't believe I'm looking at a camera like this. So I'm shooting on my Sony A7III and I'm like, yo, you know how much things I have to do just to get the subject and the sky in the same like range. Apple did it again. Not to mention the 4K Dolby Vision 24, 30 and 60. Slow motion at what is it, 240 I think. The slow motion can work, but it's not really my thing. Like, yeah, yo, work doing an hyperlapse with that type of phone is out of this world. Trust me. Like, I don't know, like, I'm wondering if I should buy one. I've been using the phone for the past couple days now and I'm like, yo, the ultra wide camera is like incredible. Like, I'm like, yo, is this like a really like camera for real in your phone? Now, am I walking with this or on a day-to-day basis? The iPhone 12 Pro Max, the camera quality is amazing. To be honest, I don't think I would actually own one because it's really huge. Like, it's like a walking tablet, and like, I don't want a phone that big. I think I would work with the 12 Pro for me, because like when I go in my car, yo, the thing just, it feels like I'm walking with a gun or something. But yeah, but for what it's worth, one of the main key features that I love about the iPhone 12 Pro Max is the sensor shift, where it feels like, yo, you're walking with a stabilizer, right? But yo, the color rendition is just freaking amazing. But when you tweak it a bit, you can get way more. The dynamic range of it is just, I can't believe I'm walking with a phone with such quality. But people go and buy it anyways. It's Apple. Like, I go buy it anyway. So doesn't really matter if the phone costs $5,000. People still go buy it because yo, it is. Let me wipe this off. It is Apple. Is this shine? No, it's a glass box and I can see. Yeah, this right here, people are gonna buy it anyway. Take it, trust me. Oh, this is the iPhone XS. This is my personal phone, so I realize that people have been asking me, yo, where you get that phone, where you purchase it from. But yo, it was just a sponsorship. One thing you should know is that if you have a friend that has an iPhone 12 Pro or iPhone 12 and one of them, send in the images or any file, like send in the videos or photos to like an iPhone 6s or probably like iPhone 7. It's not going to be the same. You probably would need like an iPhone X or an XS or an XS or X, one of those type of phone, in order to read in order for your phone to read the file information from the iPhone 12 Pro. Because like, I sent it to somebody's phone and it was lagging. I can't believe it. I sent a video to a next iPhone, but it was a 6s, so I could understand. Who's this phone for? If you're an upcoming YouTuber and you have the money, can buy it. Buy it. Trust me. It is like beyond perfect. I can't believe it. Such quality in a phone. So that's it. Like, comment, subscribe for more. I'm out.